squared over m squared, then n, close and open parenthesis, then n squared minus 1, then close and open parenthesis. Then w is equal to 12 over 33.2 squared. So, saan natin nakuha itong si 33.2? So, since ang ating ED squared is 33.2 square, 33.2. So, kinuha lang natin doon. So, over 3 squared, then 5, close and open parenthesis, then 5 squared minus 1. So, saan naman nakuha itong si 3. So, since ang letter M is the numbers of raters. So, we have 3 raters, which is rater 1, rater 2, and rater 3. So, ang ating M is equal to 3 squared. Then, ang ating N naman is the number of the demonstrations, which is the 5, yung si student A, student B, C, D, and E. Then, again, 5 squared minus 1. So, yan din siya. Yun din yung demonstrations or demonstrators. So, ang answer nito is W is equal to 0.38. So, paano natin nakuha yung si 0.38? So, dito, W is equal to 12 ED squared over M squared, then N, close and open parenthesis, then N squared minus 1, then close and open parenthesis. And W is equal to 12, close and open parenthesis, 33.2 squared over the 3 squared, then 5 squared minus 1. So, W is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then, copy the 5. So, 9 times 5 is equal to 45. Then, 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. Now, ang gagawin natin doon is ita-times natin. So, 45 minus 24 is 45 minus 45 times 24 is equal to 1080. So back to 12 then 33.2 squared tayo. Then i-multiply natin yun siya. So yun siya, 12 times 33.2 is equal to 398.4. Then, i-divide natin si 1080. So, 398.4 divided by the 1080 is equal to 0.37. So, that's, so 37 is the final answer. So, that's all. Thank you for listening.